In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate your PDF document to HTML on online. It's totally free. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. First, I'm going to Google. You need to going on my video description, then click on the first link. Then you are redirected to a website. So I choose this website like PDF to HTML converter. So this link I will change my video description. Now I need to upload my file. You can see this is my file, PDF file, 2 pages and 49 KB. So I want to translate it to HTML. It's already processing, so I need to wait few seconds. Wow, it's already converted. Now I need to click on download result. Wow, it's already downloaded to my computer as a HTML file. You can see it's already downloaded Chrome HTML document. So see you again, take care, goodbye.